Hello everyone, my name is Vinit Pawar and I'm a senior data analyst at Added Analytics. So today in this video we are going to see how to dynamically round the values of DAX measures to its nearest zero. So in the previous video I have shown like how we can use the round up and round down functions. So in that we have one parameter which is the number of digits on which we need to provide like on how many digits we wanted to round the numbers. So as you can see here uh, we have taken the sales as a slicer, so we are just taken these numbers as a slicer so that we can see how these numbers are performing or how these are rounding up or down. Okay, so if we see, first we have selected 65 in the slicer and the values is rounding to its nearest zero, which is 670. And if we select 245, so its nearest zero value is 200. If we select the third value, which is 8995, so its nearest zero value is 9000. So let's select this one. So as we can see, this is 56 lakh for 54,134. So its nearest zero value is 60 lakh. Okay, so in this way we can like dynamically round the values of DAX measures. So let me show you how I have done this. So let's have a look at the table, so it will be easy for us to see. Let's change to other table. Okay, so in this table you can see we have this sales column, and on the basis of this I have taken the length of the digits of the sales column. So I have used the length function here, where I'm taking the length of sales column and subtracting 1 from that. Okay, and in the next column you can see we are rounding the number, so I have used the round function here. And in the first parameter we have provided the sales column, which is the value which we wanted to round. And in the second parameter where we wanted to find the number of digits, so we have provided the length of digits column here, and we have like given the minus before it, because we wanted to round the number before the decimal places. Okay, so let's have a look at the measures which I have created. So in this table you can see the values are rounding this 245 to 200. So let's have a look at the measure. How is this working? So this is the measure we have, which I have created. So it is similar as the shown in the table. So we have taken the sum of sales, we have taken the length of the sales and providing it into the round function. Okay, just make sure to pass this minus sign here. So if we select more than two values, then what is the number? So the total is 1,40,080 rupees. So you can see the nearest zero value is 1 lakh, right? So it is working fine. So if we select uh, another two values, now we have selected these two, 245 and 65 in the slicer. So the total is 310 and its nearest zero value is 300. So in this way we can like dynamically round the values of DAX measures. So I hope you like the video. Please have a look and let me know your questions in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.